Assalamu alaikum. I am Barista Raju. I'm from Bangladesh. I can make all kind of coffee item. Hot coffee, cold coffee, specialty coffee. Hot coffee means espresso, latte, cappuccino, flat white, americano, macchiato, cortado, hot Spanish. Cold coffee, ice. Americano, ice, latte, ice, americano, ice, Spanish, ice, white, mocha, specialty, coffee means B60, siphon, Chemex, cold brew. Let's see my work.